You're not getting replaced by a killer robot? At least not yet, and not as long as I have something to say about it either. Hello, all you AI-powered project managers out there. I'm Cornelius Fichtner, and welcome to the launch of AI for Project Managers at pm-prepcast.com/AI. Before we really get started, this is a live stream. We're streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And if you are joining us on any of these three platforms and you would like to participate in this giveaway this morning, then please do go ahead and type hashtag AI into the chat and send it off to me, and you will automatically be added to our giveaway. And already happening here, as you can see, the first entries are already arriving here. So this is working as expected. You are being added. You're not signing up to anything else. This is simply to participate in our giveaway this morning. So I have been a project manager for the last 20 years or so, as well as a PMP trainer. And my goal with AI for project managers is to make you become a indispensable project manager and the person in your company to go to for AI in project management. But let's also face it, because AI is revolutionizing many fields, including project management, and this sparks some big questions. And so you may be wondering, will AI take my job? What tasks will AI automate? What new skills do I need? How will AI change my team? And how on earth do I use ChatGPT on my projects? And so on. And just to put your mind at rest here, the answer to the first question, will AI take my job as a project manager, is absolutely no. AI really lacks the empathy and the human connection that we need in order to manage projects properly. Yeah, and as far as the other questions go, AI for project managers doesn't just answer them, but instead it will give you a competitive edge on your projects, making you an AI powerhouse within your company when it comes to AI integration. Let me outline this journey for you by showing you three practical benefits that the course offers for your career and project outcomes. So first of all, AI for project managers delivers deep and foundational AI knowledge, empowering you with versatile and transferable abilities that prepare you to adapt to and excel with AI technologies and diverse project demands. This will help you to become unstoppable because you are now equipped with a full set of competencies needed to excel in AI-driven project management, ensuring that you confidently improve project outcomes. And that also means you are future-proofing your career. By giving you these adaptable and scalable skills, AI for project managers ensures that you remain competitive and prepared for the evolving project demands in the rapidly advancing field of AI. So these are the three practical benefits. And let's now, for the rest of this conversation here, look at each of these in a little bit more detail, starting obviously from the left to right with Beyond Tools. This is an important one because while it may seem challenging today, fast forward a decade from now, and then using AI tools in project management will seem just as instinctive and effortless as using a smartphone is today. So when it comes to learning about AI, the real focus shouldn't be about teaching you about the tools themselves, but instead enhancing your AI competencies and general soft skills. In other words, and not to belabor the point here, but to truly future-proof your career, you need to think beyond mere AI tools and being proficient in those tools. What you need is both a deep understanding of AI as well as an adaptable skill set that leverages AI's potential, all while you are being the human element that drives project success. And that's where AI for project managers comes in, because I have designed it to be exactly the type of foundational and broad and in-depth, but also practical course that helps you understand artificial intelligence as a project manager. How, you may ask? Am I going to do this? Well, let me show this to you with this really ugly slide here. And yeah, as ugly as it may be, this slide is the framework and foundation of my course to help you achieve AI mastery. And remember, AI mastery, that is the second of the two practical benefits that we want to look at here that I brought up earlier. So on this slide, you see 17 competencies that make you AI literate. And these competencies, these skills, they were described by Dury Long and Brian McGurko in their paper, What is AI Literacy? Competencies and Design Considerations. In the end, this slide boils down to this here. If you have the competencies that are described in this paper, on this slide, then you have mastered AI because you are AI literate. So how do I teach this? How do I get you there? Well, with a clear roadmap. And that's exactly what this table here provides us. Think of this just like a requirements traceability matrix that you may be using on your project. So this table maps the 17 critical competencies for AI literacy from the paper that I mentioned. They're on the left side there, down in column 1. And then at the top, we have the modules from our paper. And now, see the X's that appear here in the table? Each of these X's marks the spot where you will learn the skill that you need to master each of these competencies, and this ensures that you develop a comprehensive and practical and complete understanding of AI that is not just theoretical knowledge. And one thing that you'll notice is that in module 5 there, you'll notice that there are no X's in that column. That's because module 5 goes beyond that paper. So it doesn't cover these 17. I'll talk more about that later on. And then when you look from the bottom up there, the third and the fourth from the bottom up there, action and reaction and sensors, there are also no X's there. That's because they are about robotics, and that's just beyond what this course is teaching you. Nevertheless, by the time you finish the course and have covered all these X's, this approach of teaching you a clearly defined set of core competencies for AI literacy, that ensures that you'll be confident in your ability to apply AI at every single stage of your project lifecycle and delivering exceptional results using AI. All right, so that is the first out of 2 of these 3 practical benefits. So far, we have seen how the course goes beyond teaching you just tools and how it gives you AI literacy and competencies for AI mastery. I am now switching over to the FAQ. I'll come back to the third practical benefit, how this course helps you future-proofing your career right after. But first, a quick reminder, if you haven't yet done so and would like to participate in the giveaway, then please do type AI, hashtag AI, into the chat wherever you're joining us, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. And by the way, I notice here, Robin, you may want to type this in again. I do not know if this is working. It's supposed to be hashtag AI, not hashtag AI followed by your name. So please do type it in again, just to make sure that you are, in fact, participating. So here is the first question in our FAQ. And again, for those of you on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube, if you have any questions, please feel free to type your question into the chat and I will bring them up and answer them right here. Our first question, are there any specific prerequisites for this course? Do I have to be an experienced project manager? Do I have to be PMP certified? Do I have to know how to code in order to take this course? The answer is no. This course is open to project managers at any stage of your career. So whether you are a junior project manager just starting out with your first project, or whether you have 15, 20 years of experience, that is okay, because we are focusing on applying AI into project management. We're not teaching project management, not expecting you to have a particular skill in project management. Then how long is the course? The duration of the course is 14 hours and 45 minutes. It is video-based, and watching 14 hours and 45 minutes of video online in your browser, that may be a bit tedious. So can I watch the lessons offline? Yes, of course you can. The course is available as a podcast. So as soon as you subscribe, you can then also go ahead and use it on your phone or on your tablet or even on your computer and add it to a podcast app. And what you see here on the right, that is a screenshot of my own phone where I am subscribed to my own course. So you have it in your pocket wherever you may go. How about a certificate of completion? Yes, of course, you will get a certificate of completion. As soon as you have watched all the lessons, you can access your certificate. And the good news here is no exam is required. So there's not going to be a test where you have to answer 20 questions and 10 of them need to be correct. So no stress at all right there. So we have 27 lessons. For those 27 lessons, you're going to get one certificate, and then you can use that certificate if you are PMI certified to claim your PDUs from PMI. And that also takes away the answer to my next question. Can I claim PDUs from PMI? Yes, of course you can. 14 hours, 45 minutes, that gives you a total of 14.75 PDUs. And you see them at the top there. Ways of working, 1.75. Power skills, 11.75, and then business acumen, 1.25. And just for clarity, the top one, ways of working, 1.75, is about general project management. So that's good for PMP, PGMP, PFMP, and CAPM. But if you have a specialized certificate, ACP, risk management professional, scheduling professional, those type, that does not fall under ways of working for those. So you cannot claim those 1.75 PDUs for these particular certifications. Does the course include how to use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and so on? Yes, it does. Indeed, it does. Remember earlier on when I showed you the table, I said column 5 was empty. That's what column 5 is all about. Module 5 is all about, not column 5. In module 5, we look at generative AI. We'll talk about prompt engineering, and we even have a lesson that's called prompting like a boss. In fact, why don't I bring up the module and lesson directory? Here we go. So this is the actual module and lesson directory from our course. What do we see here? Column A and B here, that is the module with the title and the number. Then C, D, and E, and F, this is the actual lesson within the module, and then G and J, more informational for those who are really interested. Where do you actually earn which PDUs? Now let's maybe zoom in here to 150. There we go. And then we're going to take a look here at module by module. So module 1 introduces the transformative power of AI. This is where we prepare you to lead in the AI enhanced project management landscape. Then module 2, AI fundamentals, is a deep dive into the core technologies that are below AI, machine learning, natural language processing, things like that, and how these can be practically applied to enhance projects. Then module 3 is exploring ethical dimensions of AI in project management, data privacy, governance, responsible use of AI to ensure that you can lead AI projects with integrity. Below that, we have data that discusses the critical role of data in AI-driven projects. We look at data quality, data bias, and also data literacy. And in fact, from my perspective, this is one of the most important lessons in the course right there. Module 5, that's the one I just talked about. This is where we go into generative AI and how to become adept at using tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, and so on in your projects. Module 6, these lessons here zoom in on you and your project team and discuss the integration of AI tools to augment human capabilities, all while ensuring that you remain at the forefront of project management evolution, even if you are using AI on your project. We want to make sure that the human element doesn't get lost. And then module 80 here, these are 6 interviews with experts and their insights. We look at their diverse views of AI in projects and how they see AI in project management play out. So these are our main modules and lessons that we have in our course. Then do you cover a specific project management methodology like Agile, Waterfall, or maybe hybrid? No, I don't. This is applicable to all project management methodologies. I bring in examples from Agile, I bring in examples from hybrid, and of course, I also do Waterfall. So you will find yourself in the examples in this course, no matter what project management methodology you're using. Same thing about specific project management tool. Does the course cover any specific project management tool? No, it focuses on general AI concepts and applications and less on specific tools and functionalities right there. There is a lesson where I do look at a few of the tools and we talk a little bit about the functionalities, but very high level. So I'm not showing you the tool and where to click, because that's really not something that I wanted to do in this course. Very tool agnostic, so to speak. And then most important question, how much does it cost? The course is $149, and that, I'm sure you will agree, is a good price to pay to secure your expertise and competitiveness in the AI-driven project management domain. And by the way, at the time of recording here, we are also running a launch special, and until June 30th, 2024, the course is available for $99. All right, that's it for the FAQ. Let me scroll through here if I can find any additional questions. There's this one question here. Is it being recorded? Yes, Beth, it is being recorded. You can revisit it later on, but that's just about it. No further questions there. And now, the moment that everybody probably has been waiting for here, the giveaway. A last opportunity for everybody. If you haven't yet typed it in, hashtag AI into the chat box, and then you will be participating in the giveaway. Here we go. At this time, we have 10 people that want to participate. I'm going to give it for 5 more seconds here. And yeah, at this point, let's click the draw button and see who our lucky winner is. With 10 entries, everybody who's participating, you have a 10% chance of winning this course. Let's see. Wayne Hills, congratulations, joining us from YouTube. You are the winner of our course, AI in Project Management. You are probably wondering, how are you going to get this? Very simple. In order to claim your prize, please write to support@pm-prepcast.com. You may want to take a screenshot right now here that you have the email address. Please do write to us within 1 week to claim your prize. All right, here is a recap of everything we have heard about AI for project managers so far. First of all, it is 14 hours, 45 minutes long, which means you can claim 14.75 PDUs. It is video-based. It includes 6 guest interviews with experts' insights, and you can watch it on your mobile and online. And then as far as the benefits go, remember we had 3 of them that we talked about earlier. So the course teaches you artificial intelligence beyond AI tools. It gives you these foundational competencies that you need. And because of that, you will be AI literate. You will be able to master AI. And even though I go on and on and on about, yeah, we're not teaching you any tools, we do tell you and show you how to use ChatGPT and tools like that, and how to write effective prompts. So generative AI is included. And then lastly, and that's the third one that we haven't talked about yet, as a whole, AI for project managers was designed with the intent to help you future-proof your project management career. That's the third one that I promised. So let me show you how we are going to future-proof your career. This image here kind of represents how I envision you. With this course, you will become an AI literate project manager who doesn't think of AI simply as ChatGPT on steroids, but instead as someone who has a deep conceptual understanding of AI technology and how to leverage all its capabilities on their projects. So first of all, you will be AI literate. And as an AI literate project manager, you now possess the foundational knowledge of artificial intelligence, enabling you to navigate and leverage AI tools seamlessly, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. You will also be a visionary and anticipating future trends and wielding AI advancements to steer your projects to success. Your role as a strategist, that equips you with the foresight. Wrong one there. We're talking about the data right there. You will be data savvy. And because you are data savvy, you understand data and you can use data to lead your projects. And then you will be an empathetic leader, I think it is called. You will foster a collaborative human connection within your team, even as everyone is using AI and AI is transforming the project management landscape. And you will also be an empowering leader. You are leveraging AI, but you do so to elevate your team's capabilities and unleashing their future and their full potential. And now this future-proof version of you, this is a leader who shapes their own future, a project manager who thrives in an AI-driven world and is competitive. And that, I think, is a really, really compelling vision of your future and what is coming in your career. Wouldn't you agree? So, Equip yourself to lead this change. Visit pm-prepcast.com/AI and enroll in AI for project managers today. Start transforming your project management skills with the power of AI and become an AI literate leader. Until next time.